As with all the aces, a hand emerges from the clouds. This is a gift from the universe of new beginnings. The Ace of Cups is a promise of new love, with the symbol of the dove sitting in an overflowing cup of emotion. The lotus flower blooms to allow us to open our hearts and our minds to the possibilities of those new feelings that come with romance and passion. It is also a symbol of a new awakening of spirituality. The Ace of Swords offers new ideas and inspiration. In the realm of the mind, or the element of air, this gives us the ability to cut through any problems, to find those solutions, to start a new journey. The Ace of Rods as a fire sign brings new work into our lives. So if you're looking for that new job, this is a good portent for that. It is also the energy of the artist or the sculptor, someone who puts their ideas into reality. It is an energy of creativity and a new journey in bringing those ideas down into reality. The Ace of Pentacles as an earth sign simply means new money. This can come in the form of a pay rise or a windfall of some kind. It is a new opportunity. Wherever this money comes from, it is about the abundance that we receive and the rewards that we attract in our physical life.